Okay, so wasn't able to put some content for a while now. Let's talk about EDC or everyday carry. For disaster risk reduction management officers or let's say emergency medical technicians, rescue operators, we do have select equipment that we usually bring on our everyday carry. It's a matter of personal opinion. It's a matter of personal need. And for myself, I do carry a bit. Some says a bit much, but for me it's essential. So that's just part of how I do things. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's pick at this one by one. So I have this one. This is a mace actually. So here in the Philippines, we're not tactical medic are not allowed. We're using the non-lethal method. So we're not allowed to bring a gun. We're not allowed to bring none of those stuff. So, although most of the persons trained in tactical medicine are either former military or did have weapons training, extensive, might I say. But as a matter of principle, because most of us are civilians, we do carry some sort of protection or some sort of defensive measure, and one of them is a mace. This one has its own safety right here. If I push it in, then I can activate the trigger and it can spread out about a stream of mace, quick stream for about, that's about 5 meter long stream that will hit a person 5 meters away. So this one can do that, and it goes here, and it is fairly secured right here. It has its own safety, so I can't accidentally shoot somebody. And of course, every responder's mandatory sidearm is the radio. So I have this on this lock position right here. It goes right here. So this one keeps this one in place. And to make sure that it is secured, I use a carabiner. This is a Night Eyes, by the way, authentic one. And this one, it's quite expensive, but as a tactical medic, you do have to have a combat application 30K. So this is the first one. I don't have the new one, which is the Mod 2, I think, or Mark 2. This is the first one. So I have this. Here in the Philippines, it is still expensive, but it is a lifesaver. So I have this, and it has its own holster right here. So I make sure that it's secured, but it is also easy to take out. So it's inserted like so. There. Now I have this knife, and this is actually a Bear Grylls knife. It's popularized by Bear Grylls, but this is a Gerber knife, and this is essential for search and rescue, and even for EMS. I do have my tactical trauma shears. I don't bring it anymore because I have the knife, but I do have the shears on my other EDC. I'll show you my other EDC on probably another video, but this is the one that I carry in my right side. And of course, tactical light. It's actually 2000 lumens, very high dispersion rate, and it can focus. So as you can see, it will focus. It goes like so. And this is a Chris Costa panel, leg panel. I use this because it is easy to access. And this is my EDC on my right side. The rest of the EDC on another video. So thank you for watching. Please hit the just hit the like and subscribe button, or hit the notification bell so that you'll get a notification of new videos that I can show you. So like I said, my work is about disaster management and EMS and rescue, so I focus more on some of the gear that we use in disaster, emergency, crisis, and calamities. So thank you for watching. See you next time.